Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video we're gonna work on a 2012 Volvo S60. So all these new cars, they have automatic brake with a button, not so they has the motor in the back. So what you have to do, you have to disconnect the caliper for both sides, and you have to disconnect the motor. You have two balls on the sides, and then you can adjust the caliper, and you can push the pistons, but then you can put the motor back to the place. Never disconnect it, guys. For BMW and European cars, never disconnect the motor, because like there you get engine lights, EBS lights on. So make sure, guys, never disconnect that. So we gotta do, we need number 13 over here. Disconnect number 13 and 13. Remove the caliper. Then we gotta remove the motor. Then we can adjust the caliper to push it. Then we're gonna put the motor back. Stay with me, guys. We're gonna show you what we gotta do. Okay, guys, number 13. Open it. Sorry about my hand dirty. I forgot my gloves. So here's what it is sometimes. Open the caliper both sides. Pretty easy job, guys. It's not some difficult. And here we go. Then open, get the caliper, disconnect from the place. Here we go. And here you see, guys, it has a motor here. So the motor, you have to get the tools. So disconnect from this side here and ball on this side here. Do you see it? So that's the tools we're supposed to be go there. So before they disconnect it, first spray some WD-40 for both sides. And we're gonna get the tools, and you need the tools T27. You can get like that, we can find something like that. One of them is better. Let me see. Let's try with this one here. There we go. It's only way to push the pistons back. You have to remove the motor. There we go. This is the first ball out. See? Yeah, T27. And remove the top other hole. No, never got open before. So this is why we spray WD-40 to be accessed better. This is the same thing for BMW. All the new cars pretty much has the same thing. Anything has no emergency brake with hand, and it has an automatic one. This is a brake automatic stuff like that. There we go. The second bowl. Pretty hard because it never got open before. So from 2012 now. And now we're gonna separate the motor. Here we go. We'll separate the motor. So now we have to do, you have to adjust the from here, adjust it, get any tools on here and then just turn it, open it, turn it to be able to can push the caliper. Let's see. Okay, let me get the tools to push the caliper back. So after we release it, I'm trying to use the other tools. The tools doesn't work, so we gotta do just this one here to press it, and press this, and press it all the way. Now you see, caliper can go down. Doesn't go up more, but the on the side, this one, try to adjust it more to open, so you can open all the way. There we go. And tight it more. See? There we go. There you go, guys. So what I do now, trying to put brakes and see if the caliper is open good or not before I put the motor. Okay, most people, the mistake people do, this is the new brake pads. So always degrease your brakes. Get some grease and go to the side here, like corners. Put some grease on them. Like that, the never brake give you squeak. You know, the brake doesn't squeak anymore. And go to this side here. Two. Here we go. For the other one, to the other sides, the one you go to the pistons, put some grease on it to lubricate it when the pistons turn around. And it'll give noise too. So now remove the old brakes. Remove the old brakes and put new ones. It's not easy, guys, to make video at the same time you make the job. I'm trying every time to show you how the job will be done. Okay, put grease, and also never change the piece of metal. Those never put new ones. New ones, they never come in like the same like the factory, and it starts squeaking really bad. So never change those, guys. Keep just the factory. Clean it with the brake cleaner if you want to. Put the grease, and they said the noise is gonna be better. Okay, is the first one there. The second one in the back. There we go. Put the caliper now. See if the caliper is open right. Have to make sure it's open right. If it's not open, then you have to push the caliper one more time. So that this one is not open right. So I have to push the caliper one more time. Okay, so after we put caliper, we're gonna push it. The pans here, always degrease them. The pan here, clean it with towel. Put some new grease. It's really important to put grease like that. Always keep like the caliper and go back and come back at the same time. And not get dry. You got some grease on them. And now we gotta put the motor back to this place. Put the motor back to its place. There we go. The motor back in its place. Get the bolt. And we'll put everything back to the place. Yeah, those cars they take time a little bit to figure out how to do it. This is what most mechanics, like using working with the European cars, because they take hand and you have to carefully what you do the job. And of course customer doesn't want to pay the price, so just the time I work on only one side, I can do, for a regular car, I can do the whole car. Just for one side, I can do the whole car. So pretty much take time, take hand, and have to know what you're doing. There we go, one bolt down. Go to the second one over here. And tied to this one too. There we go. Done, tight. And stay now. Put the caliper back to the place. There we go. Put the balls here and tied it with number 13, and pretty much we're done. Go to the bottom one. And go back, make sure it's good. So I did 3 brakes on that. I did the fronts, I did the backs, the one sides of the back sides. Okay guys, so this is how we done with rear brakes for European cars, for the one has motor, electric motor. This is for 2012 Volvo S60 T5 turbocharged, but all the Volvo has pretty much the same problem, the same thing in the back for the new models. So this is how the process have to do it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel to keep showing you more tricks. See ya.